Hello and welcome. I'm Christina, your wellness navigator, sharing tools to assist you in staying healthy as you reconnect to your spark. Do you have habits in the morning that you do daily to maintain your health? I ask because in, I believe 2011, it could have been 2012, I learned of oil pulling and have been doing it ever since. Daily for 20 minutes. You're probably thinking, what? 20 minutes? Yes. Every morning, as soon as I wake up, I'll go into my kitchen. I will grab the coconut oil, which is what I use. I take a spoon, I spoon it out, and I put it in my mouth. I set my timer for 20 minutes. And then I go about doing my morning chores. And by the time I finish morning chores, it's time to spit it out. So the thing about it is you do not want to swallow this because it's got toxins in the bacteria that you've been pulling. That's the whole point of the oil pulling, is to pull the toxins and the bacteria out of your body. You also do not want to spit it out in the sink or down the toilet or down any drain because it can clog your drain. So ideally, you want to spit it out either in the trash can or in the grass. I use an old marinara glass bottle underneath my sink in my bathroom. And I just pull it out and spit into it and then cover it back up and put it back under the sink. So you're probably wondering what oil pulling is and where did it come from? Those are valid questions. I believe I touched upon what oil pulling is. It's basically just taking a tablespoon of oil and putting it in your mouth, but we'll go more into detail. So oil pulling originates from Ayurveda, which is the sister science to yoga. It originated in India and has been around for thousands of years. Is one of the world's oldest traditional medical and healing systems. Oil pulling was historically practiced to maintain oral health, prevent diseases, balance body energies. It's considered a daily hygiene routine, similar to brushing your teeth. Oil pulling, as I said before, is basically taking a tablespoon of coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil. Those are the typical types used, and swishing it around your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. And after your timer goes off, you would spit it out, as I've already covered. And that might sound a little gross to you, but the benefits outweigh having a little spittoon underneath your sink. Um, again, you do not ever want to swallow because it has all of the toxins and bacteria that you've just switched around and extracted from your mouth. So what are the benefits? The benefits of oil pulling are improved oral hygiene. I can say that every morning, every time I oil pull, you know that feeling that you get on your teeth, like when you take your tongue and you rub against your teeth after you've gotten your teeth cleaned by the dentist and they feel slick and smooth and just really clean? That's how oil pulling feels every morning. When I started, I wanted to see if my dentist would notice a difference. So I did not tell them hey, I'm starting this oil pulling. Um, I just wanted to see. And I will say that 6 months later, when I went for my dental cleaning, I got like an A plus from my hygienist. The dental hygienist, she raved about how great my teeth looked and how healthy my gums appeared. It also reduces bad breath by reducing the harmful bacteria. Your gums and your teeth are stronger. It may also help reduce gingivitis and plaque, preventing cavities by reducing the harmful bacteria. I can tell you that I have only had one cavity. I don't know if that's genetics or not, but I have only had one cavity, and I have not had any since I've been oil pulling. Possible teeth whitening, and this is especially true with the coconut oil. And so it takes off stains. Like if you drink a lot of coffee or tea, you'll notice in the morning when you oil pull. It's good to do before you drink or eat anything. As soon as you wake up, just stick some oil in your mouth and swish it around. It also detoxifies. It is believed that this practice helps to remove the toxins from your body through your tongue. And the Ayurvedic texts claim it supports your overall health by impacting your various organs through the tongue's connection to them. So I just want to say this. I think that it goes without saying, but I'm just going to be safe and say this practice is meant to be an aid in your health, in addition to regularly brushing your teeth and visiting your dentist. I invite you to try it out, watch the magic happen, and see if you also feel like your teeth just got a professional cleaning. If this resonated with you, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for being here, and until next time, take care.